Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix track phone no service issue. Weak or no signal. A weak or no signal can prevent your phone from connecting to the network. Aeroplane mode. Ensure the aeroplane mode is not enabled on your phone. SIM card issue. Issue with the SIM card such as damaged or improperly inserted SIM can prevent your phone from registering with the network. Network settings. Incorrect network settings can also prevent your phone from connecting to the network. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Rebooting your phone can help reset the network settings and reconnecting your phone to the carrier. Try powering your device off for 30 seconds and then powering it back on. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to the right to turn off your phone and wait for 30 seconds. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For Android, press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Select restart or reboot. Fix 2. Turn on and off the aeroplane mode. You face network issue if the aeroplane mode is enabled on your phone. For iOS, open the control center on your iPhone or iPad by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. For Android, open the notification bar by swiping down from the top of the screen. Look for the aeroplane mode icon in the notification bar and tap it to turn it on and off. Fix 3. Check the network coverage. Ensure you are in an area with the good network coverage. Go to the track phone coverage page. Input your zip code in the text box. Click enter location button. Check coverage in your area. Change your location and see if there is any improvement in the signal bar in the phone. Fix 4. Check for device software update. Ensure your phone software is up to date. Old software version can cause the network issues. For iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If an update is available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap Download and Install and enter your passcode if prompted. For Android device, open the settings and go to the system. Click on the system update. It will check for any available update. If an update is available, you can download and install it. The update will download and then prompt you to insert your device, will restart and install the new iOS version. Fix 5. Try different network modes. If your phone is set to 4G or 5G, try switching to 2G or 3G to see if that resolves the issue. For Android, go to Settings app, click on the mobile network and select network mode. Then 2G. For iOS, go to the iPhone settings, then cellular option, click on the cellular data option and select the network mode 2G/3G. Wait for a few seconds and change back to 4G. Fix 6. Manually select the track phone network. Change the automatic carrier selection to manual mode. This allows you to manually select the carrier available in your area. For iOS, go to Settings, then click on Cellular and tap on Network Selection. Choose the option to manually select a network. A list of available networks will appear. Select the track phone network. For Android, open the settings, click on the network and internet and go to mobile networks. Select available network and switch to manual network selection mode. Select the track phone from the list. Fix 7. Reset network settings. For iOS, go to settings, then click on general, then transfer or reset the iPhone. Tap on the reset and select reset network settings and enter the password to confirm the action. For Android, open the settings, scroll down to system and then reset network settings. Select reset to confirm the action. Fix 8. Update the APN settings. For assistance with the APN configuration for your phone, go to visit the TrackPhone website and enter your phone number. On the page, follow the directions provided to confirm your APN settings correctly. Fix 9. Check TrackPhone balance and usage. Method 1. Use the TrackPhone website. Go to the web browser and sign in to view your plans information including your used or leftover minutes. Method 2. Use the TrackPhone My Account app. Open the TrackPhone My Account app and sign in with your TrackPhone account login details. Use the app to check your remaining balance and install the widget on your home screen to display your balance. Method 3. Text balance to 611611. Text the word balance to 611611 from your TrackPhone device. You will receive an automated text message response containing your balance information, including your talk, text, and data totals, as well as your service and date. Method 4. Call 7771 hash Dial 7771 # from your TracFone device. This method is only available for some phones and may not work for all devices. Fix 10. Remove and insert the SIM card. Removing the SIM card, turn off your phone and find the SIM card tray slot on the side or the top of the phone. Push the SIM eject tool into the small hole next to the tray slot. The tray will pop out slightly and pull it out completely. Take out the old SIM card from inside the tray. Inserting the new SIM card, place the new SIM card into the tray. Gently push the tray back into the slot until it clicks into the place. Turn your phone back on. Your phone should now detect the new SIM card. Fix 11. Contact the support. Chat with support. If you cannot find the solution, chat with one of the TracFone's agent live. They will assist you in a few minutes. Get help by text message. To get help through the chat, text the word chat to 611611. Call directly. Alternatively, call the TracFone's customer care center at for guided support. Visit the TracFone website. If you need additional assistance, visit the TracFone website and follow the activation instruction. If you still need help, call the customer care. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.